Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. So let's get started. So here we are in our account, and from here what we're going to do first in order to do this is tap on our profile on the bottom right of our screen. And from here you want to tap on the top right of your screen on the three horizontal bars, tap on that. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go down until we see hide story and live. So tap on that and type on hide story and live from, and from here you basically want to select all of your followers. That is what I recommend. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to select only a few on which those people you don't want seeing your story to as it gets moved to highlights, then you can just select them. And then once you have selected them or all of them, then you can now tap on done. And then after that is that we're gonna post a story right here, but they are not going to see it, so you don't have to worry because you have hidden it from them. So let's say this one, let's say I want to add this to my story. So what I'm gonna do is tap on the arrow button next and tap on share right here and tap on add to highlights and name this highlight right here. Let's say sample, and tap on add, and then tap on done right there. And then when you go into your profile, you can already see the highlight right there, so you can see it just like so right here. And all that's left basically is to wait for this to expire, wait for this story to expire right here. And after that you can just change back your hidden followers right here so that they would be able to see your story next if you would like that. So you could just uncheck them in here. So you can just uncheck them and tap on done, and that is basically it on how you can do it. So I hope this